Ever wondered what you can actually grow in a hydroponic garden? You've probably seen those sleek indoor setups with bright lights and perfect green leaves, but what works best? What thrives in water and what struggles without soil? Today, I'll break down the best plants to grow in hydroponics, from easy beginner favorites to high-yield crops that'll impress everyone. Let's dive into what your next hydroponic harvest could look like. Before we list plants, let's talk about why hydroponic gardening is such a game changer. In hydroponics, your plants get nutrients directly from water, so they grow faster and often produce more than in soil, but not every plant loves that setup. The best hydroponic plants have short growing cycles, compact root systems, and a love for consistent moisture and nutrients. That's why herbs and greens are your hydroponic all-stars, and where every gardener should start. If you're new to hydroponics, start with herbs. They're forgiving, fast-growing, and incredibly rewarding. Here are the top picks. Basil is the #1 hydroponic herb. It grows fast and keeps producing if you keep trimming. Mint is practically unstoppable. Just one plant can take over a system. Cilantro and parsley love cool, moist environments. Oregano and thyme do well in hydroponic setups with good airflow. Herbs are perfect for countertop systems or small grow towers. They're low maintenance, smell amazing, and you'll always have fresh flavor on hand. Next up, leafy greens, the easiest, fastest crops you can grow hydroponically. Top choices. Lettuce is the beginner's dream. It grows in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Spinach is a cool weather crop that loves hydroponic systems. Kale and Swiss chard are great for bigger setups. They're nutrient-packed, and honestly, they just keep regrowing after harvest. Arugula is another awesome choice. It's fast, peppery, and really thrives in hydroponic nutrient solutions. Leafy greens in general grow super well under simple LED lights and don't need pollination. Just nutrient-rich water and consistent light. Once you've mastered greens and herbs, you can step it up with fruiting plants. They need a bit more care but deliver huge rewards. Top picks, tomatoes, the hydroponic classic. They'll thrive with strong light and a little support for their vines. And peppers, both sweet and hot varieties, do great in deep water or drip systems. Strawberries are perfect for vertical hydroponic towers. They really love the constant moisture. Cucumbers are high yielders too, but they do need space and a bit of trellising for support. These crops take more light and nutrients, but once you get it dialed in, they'll produce a steady harvest for months. Now let's be honest, not everything belongs in a hydroponic system. Root crops like carrots, potatoes and onions, well, they can be grown hydroponically with the right setup, but it's not really ideal for beginners. Why? They need room to expand, and honestly, they don't like staying constantly wet. If you're up for a challenge, you can try radishes. They grow fast and actually adapt surprisingly well to deep water culture. But for most gardeners, it's best to stick with greens and fruiting plants first. Once you've got the hang of things, why not have some fun? You can experiment with microgreens, tiny plants with huge nutrients, and you can harvest them in about 7 to 10 days. Dwarf citrus trees are another cool option. Yes, hydroponic lemons are possible with the right setup, and edible flowers like nasturtiums or violets are great for fancy plating or herbal teas. The possibilities are honestly endless once you understand nutrient balance and lighting. If you're wondering where to start, here are 3 beginner-friendly systems. First, the Kratky method. No pump, no fuss, just perfect for lettuce and herbs. Second, deep water culture, or DWC. Roots grow in oxygenated water, which is ideal for fast-growing plants. And third, a vertical tower system, perfect for small spaces, and you can grow dozens of plants with minimal water. Start small, experiment, and grow from there, literally. Hydroponic gardening opens a whole new world of growing. No soil, no weeds, no limits. Whether you're growing herbs on your countertop or tomatoes in a full setup, you're part of the future of sustainable food. If this helped you figure out what to grow, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hydroponic tips, and drop a comment below. What's the first thing you want to grow hydroponically? Until next time, keep it green, keep it growing, and keep it hydro.